What's up YouTube? Benny here from Ace Alpha Investing. In today's video, we're going to talk about CRO Crypto.com, the new project that they have coming out in the next few days called MainNet. As always, if you guys are new here, make sure to drop a like below and also subscribe to my channel, as I do provide all the latest and greatest crypto content here on YouTube. So CRO Crypto.com recently hit all-time high marks, and we actually passed that all-time high mark today, and I want to talk about why that's happening. I also want to go over some stories for October 2021, some updates, as well as November's as well. And then after that, we're going to take a look at MCO, which is the native coin for Crypto.com. We're also going to take a look at the coin market cap for CRO as well. And with that being said, I'll also be talking about MainNet's launch day, which is in the next few days, which is honestly one of the main reasons why I believe the price for CRO hit all-time high marks today. So I'm going to be touching base with a few things in this video. With that being said, let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so briefly going over the updates for October 2021. If you haven't seen this video with Matt Damon, when I first saw it, I was like, holy crap, they got a video with Matt Damon. I mean, imagine how much you got to pay for Matt Damon to be the face of your company. I'm thinking like a couple $1,000,000. So that lets you know where Crypto.com currently stands in terms of positioning, in terms of marketing. They funneled a lot of money into their marketing and it's currently paying off with these big time partnerships that are rolling through. And when I say I see their name everywhere, I literally see their name everywhere. So let's go down here and see this as well. Crypto.com launches Fortune Favors the Brave. We're excited to announce that Crypto.com has rolled out a global ad campaign, Fortune Favors the Brave. The campaign starring Matt Damon will appear in 20 plus countries and is directed by Oscar winner Wally Fitster and produced by David Fincher. So guys, big time partnerships. We're talking about multiple countries that are involved in this as well. So that's definitely great for marketing with Crypto.com. Matt Damon and Water.org partner with Crypto.com. We could see that a global nonprofit organization that brings clean water and sanitation resources to those in need. We can see that Crypto.com is not just an exchange. They're not just focused on their marketing, but they're really focused on their mission, which is to give back to the people as well. And right here, we can see that they have 1 million followers on Twitter, which is amazing. They are absolutely crushing it in terms of social media as well. And then over here, we got Cronos Incentivized Testnet, which is dropping as well. This is just basically building up to the mainnet launch, which is happening in the next couple of days. So we can see that Crypto.com is really getting into Sheep Token and Sheep World as well. Crypto.com app users have the chance to win a Shiboshi of their choice and share 100,000 sheep, guys, which is amazing. Crypto.com now supports One, Flow, Avalanche, Solana, and Luna. And if we go over here, we can see that the exchange introduces zero fee stablecoin conversions, which is amazing, guys. Everyone likes no fees, especially when other competitors are offering no fees as well. It definitely puts pressure on the rest. And we can see here, Crypto.com exchange launches Bitcoin and Ethereum monthly features. Users can settle USD cash, control their account leverage, and enjoy discounted trading fees based on the amount of CRO they stake in the exchange. Monthly features will settle on the last Friday of each month at that time. So guys, another thing that I want to look at is some of the monthly updates for November. We can see that Crypto.com supports data network upgrade and hard fork. Another thing that's happening is Crypto.com supports Elrond's mainnet upgrade. It says that currently suspended, but we're currently still on, still planning on being dropped in the next few days. So with that being said, let me take a look at another thing that I want to show you guys, which is some of their partnerships. PSG, big global soccer team, big face in soccer, so that lets you know that's a big sponsorship that's going on. Heavily involved in big American sport, NHL. We have UFC right here, NBA, another big American sport. A lot of marketing with that as well. So just these big time partnerships is going to pay off in the long run for Crypto.com and for it to be the hub of crypto. And we have UFC, which is one of their biggest sponsorships, I believe. They have their athletes wearing the Crypto.com logo right in front of their jerseys, training jerseys as well. So you can see this pay off in the near future, guys. And if we go back to here, Another thing that I want to look at is the NFT section that they're doing. We can see that crypto.com reduces fees for traders. And basically, guys, they're getting really into NFTs and having an NFT marketplace. I mean, they're really positioning themselves to be one of those one-stop shops where people could come to buy for crypto as just a normal exchange, or they can come to buy NFTs as well. And we can see a lot of different artists have already launched on their platform, so that lets you know the future of NFT can lie within the crypto.com space as well. So going over to CoinMarketCap, we can see how crypto.com is performing today. We can see that currently it's sitting at about 37 cents, market cap of $9.2 billion, up 13% for the 13% for the day, which is amazing. Circulating supply 25 bill. But if we take a look at the 7-day chart, we can see right here that we had a recent all-time high of about 40 cents. Today we surpassed that all-time high mark by a couple cents. We went all the way up to 42 cents today. The pump right here, we're seeing a little retracement. Nothing to fear, guys. It's just one of those things. Buy low, sell high. We've seen a new high, so a lot of people are just taking their profits. But with the new mainnet launch happening in the next couple of days, I don't think this is going to be the only all-time high we're reaching. I think we're going to surpass that within the next few days, if not the next week or so. I think I'm giving it about 50 cents or so. But then again, this is not financial advice. So with that being said, let's take a look at what this is all about, what mainnet, what Cronos is all about. So let's get straight into this part as well. So guys, let me talk a little about mainnet. I'll make another video about this soon, so subscribe if you want to catch that. Basically, we'll be showing you guys how to participate and interact with it. I should say I'll also include an article in the description below. We'll show you guys how to begin the bridge to the CRC20 right here. And the way I would go about this is with MetaMask right here. You can now use the crypto.com DeFi wallet, which is another Chrome extension. You can also use the crypto.com chain desktop wallet. I may get those two, but MetaMask is really easy and I'm familiar with it. So I'll show you guys how to use it with MetaMask. And I'll just basically be adding another RPC and doing it like that. So when it comes out, I'll show you guys how it works and how to interact with it. And yeah, basically they have a roadmap for this bridge and for the mainnet launch going all the way to Q2 and Q3 of 2022. And I don't know, guys, I feel like crypto.com could seriously be one of the biggest sleeping giants in the entire crypto space, because they're gaining so much momentum in terms of brand recognition, and they literally have the domain crypto.com. Basically, guys, if they wanted to sell it right now, honestly, I could see them making over hundreds of millions of dollars just for that domain, if not billions. But yeah, they've basically been laying the groundwork very, very methodically and slowly. We're seeing the price go up, but it hasn't gone up parabolically since the past couple of days. But yeah, guys, we've seen it go up from 20 cents all the way up to 42 cents. We're seeing a big move, and mainnet hasn't even dropped yet. So with all these partnerships dropping, with a lot of these new projects dropping as well with mainnet on the same day, we could see a lot of good things happening. And I know the other day I made a prediction where I said that I could easily see crypto.com, CRO being a $2 coin, and I still stand by that. I think CRO is not too far away from the Cardano, Solana, Polkadots. I don't think it's far away from those exchanges. And on top of that, with the brand recognition that it has, and with the new partnerships that it has, and the social media outreach that it has, NFT marketplace that it's adding over to its adding and improving over to the crypto.com. I feel like those are great things that are to come. And with the brand recognition that it does have, and the name of just crypto.com, where people could easily just search that up and go onto their webpage, I think crypto.com can be the future of these exchanges. So that's another thing to look at. So with the next weeks to come, I feel like we should definitely take a close look at the coin market cap and see how it reacts to the drop of this mainnet and the other projects that are dropping as well. But guys, that'll be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I want you guys to take a further look at this article as well. Make sure to search it up and go in depth with it. But yeah, that'll be it for today's video. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, And I'll catch you guys next time. Take care.